Inflammation. What is it and why does it matter? On Time magazine, the cover once said, "Inflammation, the secret killer." And I want to unpack that and reveal the causes of inflammation, because inflammation is really repair deficit. Inflammation means that your immune defense and repair system is doing too much defense work and not able to repair you adequately. Usually this means a lack of restorative sleep. It may mean maldigestion, dysbiosis, and the microbiome and metabolome don't get to commune properly with each other. So there are many aspects at the cause of inflammation, but it basically comes down to repair deficit. Now, you can suppress inflammation. You can suppress inflammation, but that leads to a spiral of more pharmaceuticals and more symptom reactive care and more procedures, and less ability and sustainability. If you take our advice about predictive biomarkers and self-assessments, just a few tests that determine your health and well-being at this moment, inflammation should be banished because the immune defense and repair system is able to do the repair work it needs. This is mostly done at night. So I mentioned restorative sleep as so important in order to balance out your repair ability and the important work of eliminating abnormal cells.